So I said, fuck it. I think today's a vlog day. If y'all don't know, I'm in Costa Rica with my partner. Yeah, that's the view. So we just woke up, it's like 9:30. And we probably gonna go get some food. Probably gonna get on the jet skis today. That's all we got planned for today. We gonna work out too. So I'm gonna bring y'all along. Let y'all see like what we out here doing and shit. Probably go to the bar, kick shit. But yeah, picking up the other YouTube vlog shit for the one time while I'm out of town. Hope y'all enjoy it. Tap in. Yo. Can you watch it like
Oh, my head. I'm like, I went through that way.
to the vlog with Hannah?
What's going on, guys? We're gonna get white boy wasted today, blast some 40s, maybe crap wipe out on a jet ski. Who knows?
Who knows? You know we getting lit. Yeah, man. We probably finna go get some food. What you trying to do first? Get some food or?
Yeah, I get food for sure.
I'm planning an excursion.
Yeah, we go talk to them niggas on the beach.
Alright, smoke. That's a bit. Y'all just heard it from Twine. Finna go get some food. Then we gonna go to the beach and talk to the dude about doing the excursions. So yeah, finna get this shit lit. No doubt. Yeah, let me show y'all the little view and shit. So if y'all don't know, I am in Costa Rica with my brother. He got this motherfucker kicking. So today we looking like food, jet skis, what else? Food, jet skis, working out. Today, working out core, going to get drunk. Then we have a reservation for hibachi tonight. Then tomorrow, same shit, wake up, breakfast. We're gonna do ATV riding tomorrow. ATVs, come back, work out, get drunk, like, you feel me? Yeah, y'all tap in. I hope y'all enjoy the video. I had to pick back up the vlog shit just for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Feel like it'll be like some little good shit to do. But I don't even know what to say. I'll catch y'all in a minute. What happened YouTube? Back on my vlog and shit for the next couple days.
What the fuck is on the TV, bro? Oh, there's some surgeons.
We probably finna go talk to these niggas about the excursion shit. Go get some food. Then probably hop on the jet skis. Get a little workout in. Get drunk. Yeah, kick shit for the rest of the day. So I'll get back to y'all when I'm talking to them niggas about the excursion. This is a view right now. If y'all don't know, I'm in Costa Rica. Out there bit for a week. Just kicking it. But yo, we lit, man. Y'all stay tuned.
See how this year goes.
Go to the beach. I'm fine, how are you? Yeah, 2 shots of tequila.
No words required.
Really four. No, drink one more shot. It's five. No, tú lo pegaste, mira. La máscara. Mira. Máscara. ¿Tiene pareja ahí? ¿Removedores? No maneja. My brother. Sign up, man. That was bad. I'm here. That was bad. I'm here. I'm here. How do you do it? Who's this? What's up, you? This is like big ass, cause I that shit I sent to Christian. Like I'm just hating for no reason. Bro, I know exactly. And I was like, nigga, I just did that same shit you talking about. Oh shit. Hey. That's a good idea.